Yes, again.
I'm just Don.
I'm just Alex.
Today we are going to unboxing another new pair of shoes.
Yes. As you can see,
The box
confirm you don't know what shoe is this.
got right.
Got right. Okay.
Got right.
香料打了. Okay, this is the Vans. What is it?
WTAPS.
Vans WTAPS
This,
crossover.
this is their second crossover.
Yeah.
Second crossover. The first crossover is at 2016. Okay. On back then the design is very good, very amazing. There are a lot of people buying for it and they're selling it. Okay. They got SK8. They got Chunga design, and they also got Era.
Yeah.
Authentic or Era, I forgot already. Okay.
So for you guys who don't know what is WTAP or who is WTAP, I think we will make one episode for the WTAP to intro the WTAP.
Yes.
So you guys stay tuned. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look with the shoebox. Okay, it is the OG old school LX right here. Old school LX.
Okay, this pair, actually this launch, crossover having it for wrapper. They wrapper it, they also release it with first come first serve. Okay, the remaining pairs they make it first come first serve. Okay, so let's see about this shoe. This shoe is worn by one of our friends.
Yeah. Thank you for Rodney for lending
Rodney.
us this shoe.
Thanks Rodney bro, shout out bro.
Shout out to Rodney, nigga. Okay, as you can see, the shoebox is a bit of
Design,
the
special.
old brand feeling. You know, the old brand feeling. You know,
Old brand.
You got me?
Old
yeah.
brand.
You know. And then this is the shoe itself.
Ta-da! Okay, he won this pair with retail. Okay, this is the old school LX. Okay, obviously this is the Vans board.
Yeah.
This is the Vans board.
This is the crossover with the Vans board.
Vans board version.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is Vans board?
Vans board is you can see normally Vans, normal old school Vans, their quality is a bit thin. Their midsole is a bit thin. Okay, quality a bit normal. Okay, the cutting, everything, lining is a bit not so quality. But this Vans board, they made it everything in perfect condition. You can see the lining, everything, the cut, you see behind, everything is perfect. It's very quality. Okay, you can feel like you take a Vans board and a normal Vans, you feel it, and you know the difference. Okay.
So as I know, this this collaboration is I think they represent, they want to give they need to bring out the 90s American skate culture.
Yes.
Yeah, they need to like bring back the feeling of this, so they come out with this design. As it collaborate with this WTAP, yeah, and the Vans board. So for overall of the shoe, I think this suede,
Yes,
this blue navy suede is quite nice. And then for this material, canvas, is it? Canvas, yeah. Quite cool, quite new for me. This canvas things, quite cool. I never see canvas on shoe before. Did you?
Yes, normally
Canvas shoe. Oh, canvas shoe is. You know the brand, the C brand.
C
The
brand.
Yeah,
C brand.
you know the C brand. Yeah.
brand.
So they still have this suede in the punk.
Yes. This is quite special for them.
Yeah.
This is also the first time I see Vans make. This is what? Suede
tongue.
Okay.
Is that the old school also suede? Oh no, old school is not.
Old school
is canvas.
Old
Okay.
school is canvas. Okay.
Do you find something special about the shoe details? Something special.
Where?
Do you find it?
Then this one.
This is one of the sign
Yeah, you can see.
also.
At the behind, normally they only put the skate logo,
Yeah.
and this one is skate logo with a word
Red
original.
tag. Yeah.
You can see the
It's a
word
red tag.
original. You can't see this everywhere. Okay.
And then one special thing is you still don't know.
Right.
You never find out, right? The insole.
Oh
The
yeah.
insole is the FFF leather. It's a leather or PU, I don't know. But this one definitely have the leather feeling inside. You can feel the leather. Yeah, it's quite dope design. It looks simple, but overall for the details of the shoe, it's quite dope, quite comfy. You can feel the comfiness.
So this time WTAPS released this is a bit for public set it's a bit disappointing, but for collector they are very love this kind of design because WTAPS released thing with normally nowadays people wear outfit, they want to let people know what they're wearing, what brand they're wearing, right?
Yeah, normally they need to let people know what's the hype right now. They need to show the brand.
WTAPS didn't follow that. WTAPS just released. They think what
WTAPS still doing the own thing.
Yeah,
his own thing. Yeah.
Okay, you can see they released this one, the SK8, the red and the blue,
the old school LX, and then one of the era LX.
Yes.
And then last but not least, the half cap.
Yeah, the half cap normally the collector you go and hunt down the half cap.
Yeah, I heard a lot of collectors normally they like half cap.
Yes.
I don't know why, but I feel the half cap is quite interesting for me. Maybe next time I will get the half cap. But waiting for the best design, then I get it, the half cap.
Yes. Because normally the most famous half cap is currently the Field of God.
Yeah.
The red color covered with Field of God logo.
Oh.
Yeah, you can see it here. Okay.
That was dope.
Super dope. Super dope. That one resale also gone around 1,000 plus.
I heard you have it.
No, that one I don't have.
Oh, you have another one.
I have another one.
Yeah. Okay, so for the where you can get this shoe.
Okay, this shoe they released at So What crossover. 100% don't have, but So What released online only. Okay. As crossover they released with rapper and
First come, first serve. Yeah.
Only in JB City Square.
Only in JB City Square.
KL didn't release this.
Yep.
Yes.
So for the pricing of the shoe, how much is that?
This one is 433 ringgit.
Yeah.
Include 0 GST already.
Retail price though.
Retail price.
433 retail price. Okay. So how was the overall of the shoe?
I think this pair I will rate it 9.5 over 10.
9.5 over 10. For this, I feel comfy because for me, comfy comes first. Leather.
If I want to say about comfy, I'm sure it's not so comfy.
Yeah.
Because Vespa is a bit heavy. Not so comfy.
So I will give it 6 out of 10. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
6 out of 10.
Okay.
So today's video ends here. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up.
If you don't like our video, please share to your friend and your family and who else you know, everyone you know.
If you don't like our video, just share lah, share to your friend lah, please, please. Okay, please remember to subscribe to our video and click the notification button. Ding, 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 ding. We guys see you next time. Peace.
Made this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me